Hello, I'm Nirali Dagli, Principal Calrex Public School, Ahmedabad. I'm here to share about the various initiatives that we have taken during the COVID-19 situation, wherein we were pushed into a virtual world completely. So, at our school, or I would say at entire group level, we have done a lot of good initiatives, which I would love to share with everybody. One very beautiful initiative that has become a very successful for us and is with very high benchmarks is a virtual reading room that we have done. Our small kids of class 1 and 2 and as well as preschool, they all join us for a storytelling session on every Saturday for 1 hour. And the most beautiful part is that we have our storytellers, which are ranging from the age group of 5 to 8, 9, 10. So our students themselves become our storytellers, and there are small kids who enjoy the story like anything. And thus we have developed a lot of avid readers in this time. Secondly, we have done a lot of good virtual celebrations, maybe it Mother's Day, Father's Day, or making eco-friendly Ganesha and a lot of tree plantation. So our drive for being eco-friendly has become much more intensive during this lockdown period. And going virtually, teaching virtually, getting trained and training a lot of people to use the virtual platform is something that has been a very normal routine for us now. And I would say we all have read a lot of good books. We have done a lot of book reviews, of course virtually, and we have been into touch with a lot of online learning platforms, and we made it a mandatory thing for all our staff members that they all should get some kind of online learning degree, so that everybody gets upgraded, or they learn something which they wanted to do from a very long time and just wanted to go through something new that would interest them. It was their passion or something like that. So I guess this time, though we were forced into a new situation, we have taken it as an opportunity at entire group, because technology driven we were already there, but to use the technology with a completely new perspective is something that we have learned in this time. Our students are also so comfortable with the usage of this online classes, virtual celebrations, virtual meetings, virtual being social. So I guess this lockdown has taught us a lot of new things, and we have taken it in the very right stride. So thank you.